My dear BBA 5th semester students, welcome to the class of Business Analytics. You know, my dear students, it is consisting of two words. Business Analytics means the analysis of the business data for future insights is known as Business Analytics. There are four kinds of analytics, my dear students, like descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, and predictive analytics, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics always says what was happened. Diagnostic analysis says why happened. Predictive analytics predicts what's going to happen. Prescriptive is what to do and its action taken part, my dear students. Actually, we use statistical methods and graphs and charts and diagrams to present the data. Descriptive analytics is saying what happened. It is the first part of business analytics, my dear students. When you are able to describe what was happened, that's very much important to make further action in business, my dear students. Sometimes some kind of situation arises where demand of the product will decrease, or sometimes the profits may decrease, like customer taste may decrease. Likewise, we need to describe what's going in the market. Actually, for this purpose we are going to use the charts and we are going to use the graphs, my dear students. So like pie diagram is there, line charts will be there. Means we are using statistical methods. There is like descriptive statistics, my dear students. The descriptive statistics always describes actually mean, median, mode, what is the average sales. Likewise, my dear students. Yeah, my dear students, these are the statistical methods which we oftenly use to describe something, my dear students. A mean will describe what is the average of the given data, my dear students. Similarly, median, mode, range, what is the range of the products, means what is the highest price and what is the lowest price. Quartile, deviation, the difference, mean deviation, the difference, standard deviation, coefficient of variance, percentiles and deciles. These are the methods which we are going to describe, my dear student, in statistical methods in descriptive analytics, my dear students. And I will show what are the graphs and charts which are going to use with the help of MS Excel also, my dear students. My dear students, here if you see a Excel worksheet, my dear students, something is light ga kanpistundamma chudandi. Here the particulars of years are given, sales is given, revenue and expenditure is given. If you want to describe something, my dear students, there are three key elements: sales, revenue, expenditure. If you want to show this with the help of the charts and graphs, my dear students, just go to insert option after you enter the data, my dear students. You select a particular graph or line diagram something, but before you want to show the line chart, you need to select the data which you want to present, my dear students. For these three are there, line chart I want to show, my dear students. I have selected like this. Means here insert option is used to represent the data. My dear students, whenever you want to describe something by using the charts and graphs, you can describe a lot, my dear students. Means you as a student of BBA, when you are learning business analytics, you have to understand what technology that which we are going to use to represent the data, my dear students. Any other chart also I can use so that this can be moved here. And one more chat ఏం లేదమ్మా, డ్రాగ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోండమ్మా, చేయడం వల్ల మీరు చేయొచ్చు. లేదు ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు షో ఓన్లీ దిస్ టూ ఓన్లీ, ఈ రెండే రెవెన్యూ అండ్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ చూపించాలనుకోండి, ఈ రెండే సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా. చేసుకున్న తర్వాత గో టు ఇన్సర్ట్ ఆప్షన్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, సో దట్ యూ క్యాన్ టేక్ ఎనీ అదర్ మోడ్ ఆఫ్ గ్రాఫ్ అనమాట. ఇట్లా ఏమో దీన్ని డ్రాగ్ ఆన్ చేయడం వల్ల ఇటువైపు మార్చవచ్చు. అంటే వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సే, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, హియర్ ఇన్ యాజ్ ఎ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ అనలైటిక్స్, you need to understand why we are using Excel, why we are using statistical methods, my dear students. Business analytics is nothing but the analysis of the past data for future insights, my dear students. Here lot of technological methods are available, my dear students. Lot of changes are happening in the like field of data analysis, my dear students. Every business will create large volume of data, my dear students. In such a case, we cannot run over. There are many like social media platforms, as you know, my dear students, like which is going to create large volume of data. In such a scenario, my dear students, you as a student be prepared to say what's going to happen like this, my dear students. I wish you all the best. Do attend the classes regularly, or at least follow whatever we are saying here, my dear students. Learning of these methods in statistics is very much important in business analytics, my dear students. Wishing you all the best, my dear students. Here, whether you are from like HR, or whether you are from like marketing or whatever it may be, business analytics is such a subject which is very much useful to you, because here you are doing analysis of the data, my dear students. My dear students, you have to understand why business analytics is important. In every organization, they are using artificial intelligence, my dear students. They are using machine learning languages. Data mining means driving the data from large volumes is said to be data mining. Then big data analysis. Automation is happening in every industry, my dear students. And even some of the organizations are using robot technology also, my dear students. Every minute and every second we create large volume of data in social media or emails, my dear students. When we are living in such a scenario, it becomes very much important to understand what is business analytics and why we should learn business analytics, my dear students, and what are the technological methods which we are using, and what are the statistical methods that which we are using to do analysis of the data. That is part of business analytics, my dear students. Here you have 5 units, and unit number 1 is like introduction only, my dear students. Unit number 2 is like descriptive analytics, my dear student. There you need to go to lab and you have to practice statistical methods, and you need to practice more and more MS Excel, like graphs, charts and tables, my dear students. Yeah, my dear student, these are the different kinds of business analytics. Yeah, what happened, why did it happen, what will happen, how can we make it happen, likewise, my dear students. These are the business analytics, backbones of the business analytics, my dear students. From here only we start, my dear students. Yeah, my dear students, there is one descriptive statistics. Always it describes something like a kind of averages or percentiles or quartiles, likewise. And even if we are going to use the graphs and charts, my dear students. Wishing you all the best, my dear students. Prepare well. These are very much important, my dear students. Business analytics is a process by which business use statistical methods and technologies for analyzing historical data in order to gain new insights and improve strategic decision making, my dear students. When we are making any decision based on the data, this requires, my dear students. And this is like descriptive analytics, my dear students. Wishing you all the best, my dear students. Thank you for joining into my class, my dear students. Do attend the classes regularly and try to understand the concepts, and because tomorrow when you go to job, this is the things which you are going to learn, my dear students. My dear students, till now we understand what is business analytics, my dear students. Business analytics is nothing but the analysis of the data in relation to the business in the past for the purpose of గెయినింగ్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఇన్సైట్స్. అంటే ఫ్యూచర్లో మన ఆర్గనైజేషన్ మంచిగా గ్రో కావాలని చెప్పి మన బిజినెస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పాస్ట్ డేటా ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ డేటాని మనం స్టాటిస్టికల్ మెథడ్స్తో, తర్వాత టెక్నాలజికల్ మెథడ్స్తో, చాలా టెక్నాలజీ వచ్చేసిందమ్మా. నేను చెప్పాను కదా, ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ ఈజ్ దేర్, లైక్ ML, machine learning language. These are all examples of business analytics, my dear students. I said most of the business is now becoming automation in the sense, you can see, my dear students, if you go to a bank, there one machine will be there which is counting the money. When you go to ATM, my dear students, the ATM is speaking to you, my dear students.